In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working Surfshark promo code or coupon code or discount code in October 2022. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up web browser and right there at the search box just type in Surfshark promo code. It shows you different results of websites where you can find free Surfshark coupon codes. You can open up any of that websites. Here, for example, I can see 53 different coupon codes. The first one gives me 85% off. I can hit there at more details to get some extra information, and then I can tap at show coupon to see that promo code. Then I can tap at that icon to copy it to clipboard. And after that, I can move to Surfshark website or to its mobile application, and there I can use that discount code. Just don't forget to enter it before you pay any money. If for some reason happen that this promo code doesn't work, you can in any time go back here and try to use another one. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.